Good morning!
Or whatever time it is where you're at while you're watching this video.
That's right. Today we are going to do
Unboxing.
unboxing. So
Here we go.
Today's video, guys, we have a very big box, a huge box. Pasensya na sa mga mga kalat. Nandito kami sa bahay ngayon. So this is from Hong Kong. Hong Kong Air Cargo.
This is 2 boxes, you know that?
So-
They're taped together.
So, Mr. Wandering World is opening the box. Ang daming kalat, guys. So, pasensya na sa mga pakikuha yan natin. So, today, here's the box, guys. Hinati na ni Mr. Wandering World. So, dalawa pala to. So, yan. Kaya, sobrang laki. So, hahatiin.
Flip it over.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, so hahatiin na lang sa kabila. Ayan, kasi dalawa siyang box. Okay, let's open the box.
So it's
Tadan! First box. Ooh.
That's why they said not to worry that it wouldn't be broke.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
on
you
styrofoam.
say it again, baby. Don't say that word. Wow! So this is our light, ceiling light.
That's with the bulbs.
So there's the bulb. So that's the bulb. Can we buy that bulb here?
Probably not.
So where can we buy that bulb if ever?
On Lazada.
So this is our light, ceiling light, guys. How can we
Oh, it comes with tops and everything.
maybe they can put this, baby. We're gonna ask they can put this one already in the ceiling.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. So this is wood. This is wood, guys. So
What this is here.
can you check it? So that's ito yung ilalagay dito.
And you
Tapos
unscrew this here and slip this on, and then you screw the bulb in.
That's right. So this is the bulb of the. This one is the bulb.
Yeah.
So.
They're nice looking
What
bulbs.
is this, baby?
I don't know.
Is
That's
this a
what-
tricolor or no?
No.
This is not a tricolor.
Well, maybe. I don't know.
So,
Well, let's just say that we need the glasses.
hindi ko mabasa eh. Ang liit. So, it's A, B, C, D, E. So, this is letter A. So, ito yung light niya, guys. Dito. So, yan yung ilagay dito. Tapos, ilalagay to. So, yun. So, wood siya. Wood. So, hindi na namin buksan yung isa. Later na lang. Pag ilagay na sa ceiling namin. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. This is Wandering World once again. Have a good day to all. Bye-bye. Bye, Mr. Wandering World.
Bye-bye.